down here. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. But shh. You're probably wondering, why am I hiding underneath my coach? Well, at least for a lot of us, bad things happen on Thanksgiving. And last year, well, it didn't go so well. Things got burned, overcooked, dry. And I'm hiding down here so I'm not forced to deal with all the Thanksgiving disasters. Watch this intro and I'll be right back and tell you what I'm talking about.
Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
All right, welcome back. Shh. Have you had Thanksgiving disasters? Has the turkey been overcooked? Has there been an unexpected fire? Have there been a little stress in the family and people start to yell and scream? Just all around disasters. So I'm down here hiding. Don't tell anybody I'm here. I don't want to be a part of these Thanksgiving disasters. This is what take a look at what I'm talking about.
It's really good. Well, let's see it.
Hot, hot. You got it?
I got it. That looks good.
Hot work.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Whoa!
Watch up for your faces, please.
The annual Thanksgiving fire.
He said, that's
Actually, let me get.
Guys, what did the turkey say when he crossed the road?
No, don't stand it! Don't stand it!
Leave the turkey out!
Listen! Get out of there! Get away!
Please leave me alone. My God. My supervisor's never gonna believe this. My God. Please. Go away.
Did the turkey almost eat you?
Sorry.
What are you doing?
Mom.
You want your turkey?
Yeah, whoa, Dario, why are you filming right now?
Do you want your
What's this, for Snapchat? Mom! Give me my turkey!
We're back. Now, have any of those things happened to you guys? I know that was fun to watch, but things tend to go sideways for Thanksgiving at our house, so this is why I'm hiding down here, just so I can avoid all of it. Hopefully I can stay down here till Christmas and avoid all the holiday disasters. I wish all of you a wonderful, wonderful Thanksgiving with you and your families. And if you are doing your Thanksgiving from your rig, if you're a full-timer like us, send us a little note. What are you guys eating? What are you guys celebrating? So for our Thanksgiving dinner, because of the disasters you saw, we have a new tradition here. Ever since my parents came down to Florida full-time, we don't do turkey. We do fish. So we are going to have swordfish and salmon and grouper tomorrow for Thanksgiving, along with some sides. So let me know, do you guys do turkey or do you do something unique on Thanksgiving with your family? Leave it in the comments below or go to our Facebook group page and leave it right there. We'd appreciate it. If you guys have had any disasters on Thanksgivings, if you got any pictures or video, please forward them on our Facebook group called My Bucket List Day Buddies. And that group is, you can find us there. And let us know what disasters you might have had for the holidays. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and ring that little bell. It'll inform you the next time I launch a video. But for now, shh, don't tell anybody where I'm at. Make it a great bucket list day.